All right, meanwhile, here's what you can expect in the parliament in the next few hours. It will be about, as has been a protocol, as President Murmu is set to address the joint sitting of the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, and then later there will be a debate on this as well. But there will be a focus on it. The focus is of the Sengol. Remember the ancient spectre that had been brought into and placed in the parliament earlier, and that was done with much fanfare. But this has led to already a showdown. Samajwadi Party's MP is asking for this to be removed. He's asking that it does not stand in and it does not deserve any placement in position in a new democratic India, in a modern India. He's saying this is Raja Ka Danda, a king's stick. And is it replacing the constitution of the country? Let's listen in to what the Samajwadi Party MP, R.S. Chaudhary, has said and why has Sengol become the center of the showdown?
सेंगोल तमिल भाषा का शब्द है, उसका हिंदी माने है राजदंड। राजदंड का और हिंदी माने है राजा की छड़ी। राजा की छड़ी और माने है राजा का डंडा। कभी राजा जब अपने दरबार में बैठता था तो फैसला करता था, एक डंडा पीटता था, छड़ी पीटता था। तो अब देश संविधान से लेगा, न कि राजा का डंडा चलेगा। स्पीकर साहब ने ये कह दिया कि इमरजेंसी लगी थी कांग्रेस टाइम में, अभी वो भूले नहीं। तो आर के चौधरी चूकने वाले नहीं हैं। ये जो सेंगोल का टॉपिक है, इसको निश्चित तौर पे हम हंगामा के साथ उठाएंगे और मेरा मानना है कि अगर लोकतंत्र बचाना है तो सेंगोल को हटाना है।
Right, joining me this morning is Bharatiya Janata Party's Nalin Kohli. Mr. Kohli, good morning. We thought that the spectre issue had settled, but do you think it's a fair point that possibly the Samajwadi Party leader could be asking, even if not for the removal, he's saying, does this really have a place in a modern democracy that India is in 2024?
Well, does dynasty have place in a modern democracy? The Samajwadi Party leader would even need to answer that. Dynasties were about kings, about queens, about princes, about princesses. So in today's modern democracy, a first family, like, say, the Samajwadi families, the family of Mr. Akhilesh Yadav and the number of people from his family who are elected, that's a clear indication of dynasty. So if you're talking of a modern democracy, that's a valid question that he would have to answer to. But I think the larger question here is to understand a few basic principles. The first is freedom of expression and speech, which is Article 19. It's not about mindless thinking or mindless opposition or mindless criticism. There are reasonable restrictions on that also, imposed by the First Amendment of the Constitution in 1951 by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, when he was the Prime Minister. Of course, those are on public order and other things, but it puts forth the point that freedom of expression and speech has to, after all, in a meaningful democracy, because that's the question you asked, in a meaningful democracy, be driven by meaningful discourse. So just because here there is a new trend now, let's oppose everything, or let's begin an opposition agenda a day, or let's begin a controversy a day, or let's begin a disruption agenda a day, is that how a modern democracy and its parliament should function? So today it's the Sengol, tomorrow it could be the color of the fabrics, day after tomorrow it could be that why should the furniture be polished in this way? I mean, where would you draw the line? This is a function that took place. The Sengol is established. There is a significance to that. The Honorable Prime Minister was part of it. Then this gentleman had no views. Now suddenly he wakes up and has views.
Mr. Kohli, I appreciate what you're saying, but because of your first comment that you had made about the dynasty issue, but, BJP has always said that it's different from the dynasty parties, for example, like the Samajwadi Party. Is this in any ways, are you saying that both are same, the spectre and the dynasty? Are you saying, what point are you trying to make here? Because then it would look like,
my point is very clear.
Yes.
No, I've understood the question. My point is not about comparing the two. I'm saying that this is the point about anything and everything can be made an issue. And because somebody says that in a meaningful democracy or modern democracy, a spectre doesn't or a Sengol doesn't have a place, my counter question is, does dynasty have a place? Which means, would a political party run only on the basis of a dynasty or a first family in a modern democracy? We are not a monarchy after all.
Correct.
So say take the case of the United Kingdom. So the United Kingdom has a monarchy. It has a democracy. So the king, or the case of the queen prior to the king, had a place. It's defined. So that is how they have envisioned it. If India is envisioned as a modern democracy, so would the political entities be family-based? So that's a counter question that can be asked of the same gentleman who's putting forth a modern democracy argument.
Interesting, and we'll see how, if this is just an isolated comment of the Samajwadi Party or is it a party strategy. Will the India bloc leaders also respond to that? Appreciate you joining us, Mr. Kohli, this morning. Also, R.K. Chaudhary is joining me. He's the one who has made that comment. R.K. Chaudhary जी, गुड मॉर्निंग. आपने जो कहा उस पे पूरा शोडाउन शुरू हो गया है. क्यों आपने अब सेंगोल का इश्यू उठाया? वो तो लग रहा था सेटल हो गया है. उसको जब इस्टेब्लिश किया गया था, सबने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया था, बात खत्म हो गई थी.
नहीं, मैं तो नया आदमी हूँ. ये जो संसद है
जी, ये
लोकतंत्र का मंदिर है और सिंगोल राजतंत्र का प्रतीक है. पहले जमाने में राजा होते थे तो डंडा लेके बैठते थे, छड़ी लेके बैठते थे. सिंगोल तमिल भाषा का शब्द है. सिंगोल माने हुआ राजदंड, राजा की छड़ी, राजा डंडा. संसद चलनी चाहिए संविधान से, संसद चलनी चाहिए लोकतांत्रिक व्यवस्था से. तो लोकतंत्र के ऊपर अगर हम राजतंत्र थोपेंगे तो नहीं ठीक है. मैंने कहा कि सिंगोल प्रतीक है राजतंत्र इसका, राजतंत्र का. तो अगर लोकतंत्र को बहाल करना है, लोकतंत्र को लाना है, तो सिंगोल हटाना है.
आर.के. चौधरी जी, आप नहीं मानते कि जिस तरह से उस वक्त पावर ट्रांसफर किया गया था, तब के प्रधानमंत्री जवाहरलाल नेहरू को इस सेंगोल दिया गया था और आज एक तरह से नए पार्लियामेंट पे इसको लगाया गया है, तो क्या किसी तरह से उस तरह आप हिस्ट्री ट्रेडिशन को जैसे मान के चल रहे हैं?
मैं समझ गया बात, कुछ नहीं समझ गया. आप ये भी जानते कि नेहरू जी ने सिंगोल को उसके सही जगह पर दिया था, इलाहाबाद संग्रहालय में. संग्रहालय से निकाल के उसको लगाया गया, ये गलत है. नेहरू जी ने सही स्थान पहुंचा दिया था.
आप कह रहे हैं म्यूजियम में रहना चाहिए था?
जहाँ था वहाँ रहना चाहिए था.
लेकिन
यहाँ संसद, हाँ, जहाँ रख दिया गया था नेहरू जी ने, जहाँ रख दिया सही जगह थी. यहाँ संसद भवन में निश्चित तौर पे सिंगोल हटा के संविधान की एक विशाल का प्रतीक रखनी चाहिए. देश चलेगा संविधान से, देश में लोकतंत्र है.
पर आर.के. चौधरी जी, यही मेरा सवाल होगा. इसके बाद एक और सवाल, क्योंकि आप कह रहे हैं संविधान से चल रहे, तो संविधान से तो देश चल ही रहा है. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि हम राजा और रानी की तरह से ये देश चला रहे हैं. क्या आपको लगता है सेंगोल का ये मुद्दा उठाना इस वक्त जरूरी था? आप काफी लोगों के मुद्दे भी उठा सकते थे.
निश्चित ये अच्छी बात नहीं है कि अगर हमारी संसद अगर लोकतंत्र मंदिर है, वहाँ संविधान होना चाहिए. कहीं किसी भी हालत में वहाँ ऐसा कोई प्रतीक नहीं होना चाहिए जिससे देश में लगे कि अब ये यहाँ लोकतंत्र नहीं है, बल्कि लोकतंत्र जो राजतंत्र है और लेख कर रहा है. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए.
सांसद जी, ये आपका व्यू है, पर्सनल व्यू है, ये पार्टी का व्यू है, अखिलेश यादव का व्यू है, इंडिया ब्लॉक का व्यू है?
हमारा पर्सनल है.
चलिए, R.K. Chaudhary ji, thank you very much. The Samajwadi Party member of Parliament, he says, what does Sengol have to be, and why should it be there in the Parliament, and that it should be where it was earlier, is what he has said. Piyush Mishra is joining me. Piyush, clearly, probably the BJP was not expecting this showdown to emerge again. They had seen this as a tradition, a Tamil historical aspect that had been brought in. But this is just to tell you how this is an added showdown. But why has this comment come today? The reason is because today we are expecting in the Parliament, as the President Draupadi Murmu, will be in a short while, will be going ahead to address the joint sitting of the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha, and that's also going to be important because that will as much be followed by a debate. It will be an interesting debate, possibly the first in the 10 years where the opposition has larger numbers, but with the Samajwadi Party MP already stoking a controversy, asking what does this princely symbol, so to say, have a place in democratic India and in the Parliament. He has lodged a protest. He submitted a letter he had earlier submitted it to the pro tem speaker, Bharturi Mehtab, and he questioned the presence of Sengol, which he has now exclusively spoken to India Today and explained the reasoning behind it. Apart from this, while this is a protocol of what President Murmu will say, and then there will be a debate on it, and then a reply as a motion of thanks by the Prime Minister of the country, but it's already been a showdown ever since election results, ever since the Parliament session has convened, from the pro tem speaker, and then a leader of opposition issue, and then the speaker's position of the election, and now deputy speaker will be the focus. India bloc, the opposition will want at least its representative in the deputy speaker. There was no consensus between the two sides for the speaker's position. Eventually, Om Birla has been selected as one after the speaker election, but Team India will possibly push for their candidate. But the BJP is still not backing out. BJP wants the deputy speaker's position as well. The NDA will possibly push for the name of an ally and from the Telugu Desam party, while India bloc may again submit the name of their senior most candidate, who's been an 8 times MP, K. Suresh.
कहने में और करनी और कथनी के बीच में जमीन आसमान का फर्क है। जब हमने कहा कि हम डिवीजन मांग कर सकते थे, पर हमने नहीं किया क्योंकि हम चाहते थे कि एक आम सहमति बने, एक माहौल बने। राहुल जी का भाषण भी अगर आप सुनेंगे, वही तो इसी भावना के साथ उन्होंने अपना भाषण दिया कि हम आपको सहयोग करेंगे, हमारी आवाज को आप मौका दीजिए, हमारी आवाज को मत दबाइए, हम भी चुनकर आए हैं, हमें भी जनादेश मिला है। तो इस माहौल में हमने डिवीजन मांगना हमने उचित नहीं समझा।